welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing a new subscription box which I've launched recently on January 2019. So let's get started and see what all this box has and what is this box called. So this is called as EYESCRUSH box. It's India's first sunglass subscription box, and this is how the packaging looks like. It has everything inside this box. All the products are inside here. So before that, this has its own website where you can purchase this box, and it retails for $6.49 per month, and you can choose any subscription month you want to. So first things first, it has its own website where you can purchase this box, and you can select your face shape and size of your sunglasses, and you can also select any kind of sunglasses you want to try. It may be like a cat shaped or aviators or anything you want to try. You can just select it and you can add it to your subscription box every month. And it have also tied up with this Sariraa website where you can purchase this box from that website as well, and you may also get some discount when you sign up for the first time. So that was all the information about this box, and now let's just open and see what all I have received inside this box. So once we open, we have this card which is handwritten, which says, "Hi Pavitra, welcome to EYESCRUSH family. We hope you love our products." And then we have this card which says #EYESCRUSH selfie contest, where you can upload a selfie with the sunglasses and tag them on their social medias. So next thing, we have another card which says everything about the products we have inside this box. So let me just start with first thing. It is the EYESCRUSH the Lust List collection. In the box, one pair of sunglasses from the Lust List collection, and it retails for $1,499. It says the Lust List collection 2019, new sunglasses with icy tones, flash lenses and dose of optimism. And it also says it's hyperallergenic lenses that block 100% of UVA and UVB rays, designed in Italy, handcrafted in India. And this is how the sunglasses looks like. So it had come with this packaging, like this packaging, and inside that it had this packaging. So this is how the sunglasses looks like. So I'm just gonna wear and see how it looks on me. I think it's very cooling, and I can literally feel that coolness. So this is how my sunglasses looks like, and this is the first thing in the box. It's very lightweight, and it's not that heavy. So the design is also like very stylish, and I really loved the sunglasses. I can use it on a daily basis, and I really love the color as well. Then next thing we have is this color style contact lenses, and it retails for 479 rupees. It's one-day colored lenses. It says the lenses are made thinner and it increases the hydration level. It's made in Korea, and it also says use this before 24 December 2019, and this is for only one-day use. So this is how the lenses looks like, and this is in the shade grey. So this is how the lens looks like from inside. So this is the second thing in the box. And next thing we have is this handmade ICU soap from Sariraa, and it retails for 200 rupees. It says it's 100% natural, paraben free, cruelty free, improves skin texture, and made in India. This is the soap. Like, it smells nice, and I'll just open and show it to you guys. As this is the EYESCRUSH theme, like all about eyes, the soap is also designed in eyeball shaped. So this is how the soap looks like. And next thing we have is this crystal collagen eye mask, and it says one pair of 24K gold crystal collagen eye mask, and it also says it is anti-puffiness, dark circle, moisturizing, anti-aging, whitening. And main ingredient is vitamin C, vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, and it also has purified water. So this is how the eye mask looks like. I've used this golden color, but this is in pink color, and it says for the best result use patches immediately after opening the foil package. Remove the patches gently, do not reuse the patches. So it's just a one-time use. So this is the fourth product. And next thing we have is this super kawaii multi-purpose pouch, and this retails for 129 rupees. It's a multi-purpose pouch, and this is how it looks. It's a small pouch where you can store anything, and we can store this lens also inside this because it had come inside this box only. So it also has this zip, and this is how the small pouch looks like. It's a hard case, and you can also store your coins or anything, or hairpins or small pins or anything you want to. So this is the next thing. So next and the last thing we have inside this box is this EYESCRUSH leather magnetic hard case, which retails for 385 rupees. And it says it's leather surface, fashionable and compact design. Sunglasses case with the slap up closure makes it extremely easy and hassle free to open and close the case. And this is how the case looks like. It is the magnetic case, and you can easily keep your sunglasses inside and it won't damage because the quality of this case is really good. And the magnetic closure is also very sturdy. It have also mentioned that sunglass cleanser and soft case worth rupees 182 inside the box specially for you. So that means it has these two as well. The pouch where you can keep your sunglasses, and it has also this to clean your sunglasses. So that was all the products you receive inside this EYESCRUSH box, and I'm really happy with the products and the way they have presented because it is their first launch addiction box, and I must say they have really put so much of effort inside the box and creating this box, because it's not at all easy coming up with this kind of new innovative ideas, and launching sunglasses inside the subscription box is also out of the box. I would definitely appreciate them, and I'll thank them a lot for sending me this box to review and letting you guys know about this new launch, and all the best for their new venture. So if you want to buy this box, I provide direct link in the description box. You can directly go get your hands on this box and give it a shot. With that being said, I'll finish this video. Thank you all so much for watching.